That was 80.
80.
I knew it. Go, bro.
Boom. Douche, douche, douche. Flip. Halfway turns. And let your arm be a noodle. Can you like roll that over a little bit? Yeah, there we go. Sitting. Keep it here. Okay. I want it to be like.
Alright.
Boy. Boy.
Wow.
That's way harder. Ooh. What was that, baby?
79.
Hey, get that down. Get that down. Come on, bud. Let's go 80 down. That was 80.
80.
I knew it. Go, bro. 80.
80.
Hey.
70. 80.
Good progress. Yep. 2 sessions in, we're already up.